Make a great choice today with the 2016 Scion IM. The Scion IM is filled with premium features to match your taste. Bolstered sports seats and a leather trim steering wheel with built-in audio controls gives you comfort and convenience and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. Come take a test drive today.